Jai Hind everyone, I am Varsha from DPS Pandusir Nabha. Today I am going to teach you how to sort out materials on the basis of their solubility. So let us see. So we are going to conduct test of sorting materials on the basis of solubility. So what do we require for conducting these solubility tests? So we need some beakers, water, sugar, salt, sand, chalk powder, washing powder, etc. So now let's start. Here I have taken some sand, some washing powder, some chalk powder, some sugar as well as salt, and also some beakers. Here I have filled 2/3 of water in all these beakers. So as you can see, I have labeled some things like sugar, salt, sand, chalk powder and washing powder. So we will add these substances in these beakers. Okay. So let's get started. First of all, I will add some sugar. And then what do we need to do is we will stir it well. So next I am going to add all the things in all these beakers. Next I am going to add salt. We can add every substance about a teaspoon in each of the beaker. Next I am going to add some sand. Next chalk powder, and in the last beaker I am going to add some washing powder. So next we will stir these substances very well, and then next we will check that what do substances do while we add these substances to the water. So I want to tell one more thing to all of you, that when we add any substance in water or when we dissolve any substance in water, we get a solution. So we are getting these solution, and now we are testing the solubility test of these solutions. So after stirring, let it settle down for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then again check that what does this solution obtain. So you can see that when we dissolve some sugar to water, it gets completely disappear. It gets completely disappear. So next check it out about the salt. When we add salt in water, it also gets completely disappear. In the next, when we have added sand into the water, it do not get completely disappear, as well as chalk powder. You can see that some chalk particles are still remaining on the top of the water, top layer of the water as well as, so it do not get completely disappear in water. And in the last, in which we have added washing powder, it gets completely disappear as the color of water is also changed. So come to the conclusion that what we have observed. So when we added sugar in the water, it gets completely dissolved, and then next when we added salt in water, it also get completely disappear. In the third one beaker, when we have added sand, it do not completely disappear. So this is a insoluble substance which do not mix with water even after stirring. As you can see, I am stirring all the beakers continuously, but still sand is not completely disappear. So next, chalk powder. You can see on the top layer of this water, chalk powder is still remaining here. So we can say that chalk powder is not a soluble substance, it is also a insoluble substance. And in the last beaker, washing powder. Washing powder gets completely dissolved in water, so it is a soluble substance. So similarly students, you can also test some liquid substances like honey, vinegar, oil, kerosene oil and many more things with water, and you can observe all these things that these are soluble or insoluble. Thank you and have a nice day.